The Sky Dance Festival, a Jamaican kite-flying adventure. In the vibrant parish of St. Anne, Jamaica, was the community of Sandy Bay. The community was known for their warm hearts, infectious laughter, and a shared love for the annual Sky Dance Festival, a grand kite-flying celebration held every Easter Monday at Grizzly's Plantation, Cove. This festival was no ordinary event. It was a day when the sky transformed into a canvas, painted with colorful kites of all shapes and sizes. Families from all over Jamaica and even distant lands gathered to partake in the festivities, bringing with them stunt, diamond, and rockakoo kites that resembled soaring birds, insects, and even mythical creatures. Among the residents was a spirited 10-year-old boy named Kemar, whose eyes sparkled with excitement as the festival approached. He had been working tirelessly on his kite, a vibrant masterpiece adorned with the colors of the Jamaican flag, black, green, and gold. His best friend, Ava, equally enthusiastic, had crafted a butterfly-shaped kite, its wings shimmering with hues of blue and purple. On the morning of the Sky Dance Festival, the community buzzed with anticipation. Stalls lined the festival grounds offering mouth-watering Jamaican delicacies like jerk chicken, jerk pork, festival, and roasted corn. The air was filled with the rhythmic beats of reggae music, and children's laughter echoed as they enjoyed free rides and games. Kemar and Ava arrived early, their kites clutched tightly in their hands. They gazed in awe at the spectacle unfolding before them. Kites of many colors and creative designs, and others mimicked birds in flight, captivating the onlookers. "Look at that one, Kemar!" Ava exclaimed, pointing to a massive stunt kite sailing smoothly against the azure sky. Kemar grinned. "It's amazing, but I bet our kites will dance the best." With determination, they found an open spot and prepared to launch their creations. The wind was perfect, a steady breeze that promised a thrilling flight. Kemar held his kite aloft, feeling the tug as the wind caught it. He released the string gradually, and soon his kite soared, its colors vivid against the sky. Beside him, Ava's butterfly kite fluttered gracefully, its wings seeming to flap as it ascended. The two friends laughed with pure joy, their eyes shining as they guided their kites higher and higher. As the day progressed, the festival grounds became a tapestry of sights and sounds. There were kite-flying competitions, dancing contests, and even a bun-eating challenge that left participants giggling and covered in crumbs. In the afternoon, a voice boomed over the loudspeakers. "Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for the Grand Kite Parade. All participants, please gather at the main field." Kemar and Ava exchanged excited glances. They reeled in their kites and joined the procession of proud kite flyers. The parade was a mesmerizing display of creativity. There were kites shaped like dragons, grand rockakoo kites, hexagonal in shape, traditionally made from washi paper and bamboo. There was even a giant patty kite, paying homage to Jamaica's beloved staple. As they marched, the crowd cheered, and the judges observed each kite with keen interest. When Kemar and Ava passed the judges' stand, they stood tall, beaming with pride. After the parade, the judges took to the stage. "We have seen remarkable talent and imagination today," one judge announced, but two kites stood out for their vibrant designs and excellent flight. "Congratulations to Kemar and Ava!" The crowd erupted in applause as Kemar and Ava ascended to the stage, their hearts pounding with exhilaration. They were awarded ribbons and a basket filled with goodies, including a brand new kite-making kit. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink, the festival transitioned into an evening of musical performances. Renowned reggae artists took the stage, their melodies weaving through the night. People danced, their spirits high. Kemar and Ava sat on the grass, their ribbons around their necks, and the glow of accomplishment warming them. This was truly an amazing experience. I cannot believe we won, Ava said, her eyes reflecting the twinkling stars above. Kemar nodded. I can't wait for next year. Let's make even bigger kites. They laughed, already imagining the possibilities and knowing that the sky was not the limit, but just the beginning.